Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading through the BingX exchange. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, BingX offers a user-friendly platform designed to enhance your trading experience. BingX Exchange stands out with its intuitive interface and a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to choose from. Are you looking to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or perhaps explore lesser-known altcoins? BingX has you covered. With just a few clicks, you can dive into the dynamic world of crypto trading. One of the key benefits of using BingX is its advanced trading features. From spot trading to futures, the platform is equipped with tools and resources that allow you to make informed trading decisions. You'll find real-time market data, advanced charting options, and insightful analytics to help you stay ahead in the fast-paced crypto market. Now, let's talk about something exciting. If you decide to sign up today, don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU. By applying this code during your registration, you can unlock exclusive rewards and benefits. This special referral code is designed to enhance your initial trading experience on BingX, giving you an edge as you commence your trading journey. Imagine starting your trading adventure with bonus funds or reduced fees, all thanks to the referral code CHUCHU. It's a fantastic opportunity for newcomers to maximize their investment potential right from the start. So, whether you're aiming to build your portfolio or explore new trading strategies, the BingX exchange is your go-to platform. Remember to use the referral code CHUCHU to gain those valuable benefits. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this overview, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more insights and tips on navigating the world of cryptocurrency. Happy trading, and we hope to see you on the BingX exchange soon.